Rebounding for bodybuilders is a game-changing approach to unlocking strength, power, and total musculature activation. Bodybuilders have relied on heavy compound lifts, progressive overload, and calculated recovery to build muscle for decades. But what if there were a tool that amplified these methods while improving overall conditioning? Rebounding is that tool, a dynamic, gravity-defying movement that forces your muscles to engage in explosive, coordinated contractions with every bounce. Bodybuilders thrive on anaerobic training, which is the kind that recruits fast-twitch muscle fibers responsible for strength and power. Unlike traditional cardio that might compete with these gains, rebounding pushes your muscles to generate force repeatedly against gravity. The rapid acceleration and deceleration on a rebounder mimic plyometric movements that activate those crucial type 2 muscle fibers. Picture it like a high-powered engine revving at maximum torque. Every jump sends your entire body into action, building the explosive strength needed to boost your squats, deadlifts, and bench presses. Traditional training methods often focus on isolating individual muscles. This approach can lead to imbalances and weak links in your overall strength. Rebounding, however, brings every muscle into play at once. Your legs, core, arms, and back all work together to keep you balanced and powerful. This full-body activation means you're not just building one part of your body. You're forging a unified, resilient system that can handle heavier loads and more intense workouts. Imagine sprinting at full speed but vertically. That's exactly how rebounding fires up your fast-twitch fibers. This vertical sprint effect enhances your power production in a safe, joint-friendly manner, unlike traditional sprints that might risk injury. Over time, this leads to better neuromuscular coordination and force production, translating directly into heavier lifts and more significant muscle gains. One of the biggest challenges for bodybuilders is balancing cardiovascular fitness with anaerobic performance. While steady-state cardio or even some high-intensity interval training might drain your fast-twitch energy, rebounding seamlessly trains both systems. By continuously challenging your heart and lungs while delivering intense muscular contractions, rebounding builds aerobic capacity that enhances recovery, increases work capacity, and improves endurance, all without compromising muscle mass. And now, let's talk about integrating rebounding into your training routine. Invest in a high-quality rebounder and choose the modality that suits your fitness and training goals. You can start with a gentle health bounce if you're new or easing back into training, move to a medium bounce as you build strength and coordination, or opt for a high bounce if you're ready for advanced, high-intensity work that maximizes explosive power. Before you jump in, remember, if you have any neck, back, or knee injuries, or if you're unsure about your ability to incorporate rebounding safely, consult a doctor. Assess the risks when using any training equipment. It's important to evaluate your health status to avoid exacerbating existing conditions. Rebounding isn't just a fitness gimmick. It's a scientifically backed method that can supercharge your strength, power, and endurance. It provides a balanced training approach that harmonizes both aerobic and anaerobic conditioning. Step onto the rebounder, defy gravity, and elevate your strength, endurance, and muscle gains.